Have you ever spent hours on a design and it still looks like a kindergarten art project gone wrong? Don't worry, I've been there.
But here's the good news. In exactly 10 minutes, you're gonna learn the Photoshop basics that took me years to figure out.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a professional-looking Instagram poster from scratch, and even if you've never opened Photoshop in your life. Let's go!
Welcome to the complete guide to Photoshop. As you can see, the workspace is laid out intuitively, making it easy to jump right into your creative projects.
It's the software that professionals use to create everything from Instagram graphics and YouTube thumbnails to movie posters and magazine covers.
Here's the workspace. You've got your toolbar on the left. Those are your knives and spatulas.